Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is May 3rd. I don't have my watch on, but it's May 3rd. I don't know what time it is. It's finally warming up. We've had so much rain. So much rain. I can't get out and mow because the grass, there's still water in the yards. So, oh, where's my, I lost my, I must have kicked my seat off. Oh, there it is. I kicked it off trying to get on. That's my Airhawk. These seats are not good. Airhawk helps. Okay. Oop, turn the brake off. Here we go. Out for a ride. Look at my grasses. Needs mowed, but it's just, you can see, let's see, I'll see the water in it up here. It drains this way, but you can see the water. There's no way I can mow in all this water. Look at it, still draining from the yard. You can see the water in it. Gotta wait for it to dry up a few days, but if we ever stop raining, which is maybe just for 2 days, but it's not going to dry up in 2 days. Yeah, look at the water draining out of my yard on the road. Nice day though. I don't know what the temp is. Oh, it says 72. I think it's like 62. It's warming up though. It was only 50s this morning when I went out. I don't know why that thing keeps doing that. Yeah, you can see the water draining out of everyone's yards. Picking up somebody's stuff. Well, I'll turn it back on later. Bye. Well, hello there again, YouTube. Make sure my thing's plugged in. Yep, it is. The microphone. I don't know why these people are going so slow. It's 55, they're going 48. I took a ride down the Forney. I looked at the slingshots. I like them, but I don't think I'd buy one. I really want the Ravaco if I ever get enough money to get one. I have enough money, but I can't spend it on that. My wife would kill me. This car's going so slow up here. But it's a nice day. I took off my jacket. It's still a little cool. It says 75, but I bet it's more like 70. 69. It's a busy road. This is 548. Busy back in Forney. Still a nice day though. It's only 12:56.